Alright, so back with another video, and today I have something. We got something. And it's finna get on this car. So, bought brakes and rotors for the vehicle. Slide and drill rotors, you know, brakes. Also, if y'all look, I'm gonna insert a picture of what happened. So now, no mufflers, move, rear tips, like just at all. This actually made it louder, and I just said skip it because I have come in and I kind of want to run just 3-inch tips. I mean, not 3-inch tips, but 3-inch piping all around. So I'll go with this. I'll give y'all a sound of it. That's if I can. Hold on. Let's see if it'll start for me. Let's go to the other car. I know y'all want to know what's going on with the V6. Still riding. Nothing going on with it for real. So yeah, it's been holding up the whole time. Like, I really haven't had any problems that I didn't know of, and it's getting me to working back or wherever I need to go, because I don't really drive this one no more as much. That's why I'm doing the stuff I'm doing now. I'm gonna open up the cell. See, look at them boys, clean as hell. The wheel off. First one, you want to take this one off first. Well, first of course you want to take the wheel off, and then I'm gonna get this bolt right here, loosen it up. So that's what I'm doing right now. It's basically release it so you can get to your brake pads. So after taking them off, you can see there's cracks in it. Like, yeah, these is through. You can see the rotor. It's my first time, so it is taking me a minute to get through it, but we gonna make it happen. Bro, that bitch clean as fuck. Look at the difference. Like, these messed up. Look how much meat on those. My boy Ree putting on these. Look how these rotors look. Horrible. Was ready to break off. Here go the new ones though. So the first bolt will come from the caliper. Taking this one out and the bottom one because this is kind of in the way and it's just weird. When you take the top one off, it's getting held by the brake line, so you gotta take the bottom off. So next we get into these. There's one right here and there's one on the bottom, if y'all can see that. Break those and then this whole thing will come loose. Ain't the caliper off, so don't you got that one side that you can do it from the other side?
I already got the brake pads out.
I was saying, like, don't you got that space where that shield on it, not it? And you can hit it from forward to you?
That's what I was doing, but it's only one little gap, so I gotta keep spinning it as I hit. That's what I'm doing now. I'm hitting it and spinning it at the same time.
Take a quick 5-minute, bro. And we don't need you to go deaf over some fuck ass brothers. Oh yeah, but I just noticed my my bumper. They put zip ties right there.
Are your bumper?
Look at the black one. Look where the grill at in the middle. I just noticed that bitch blended in for like, how long I had this car? Dinner a month? Should I?
Are you putting a new one on?
Yeah.
Oh, let me start moving then.
Are you good? No. I put it on already. That flat.
I just had to pull that bitch off. I got it off. I had to pull that bitch off with the hammer.
I feel it. Give me that flat. Bet it up.
Well,
These the old ones compared to the new ones.
you put this little rubber piece back in before I put it on.
Alright, so you want to get your C lamp. Press the calipers. Finally just getting it on. I get my seal to lock it in. Right now, got the brakes in. Now I'm putting the caliper on, then I'm bolted up to the knuckle. I think this what it's on. So it's getting there. So the whole thing is on there. Everything is tightened up. So about to put it on. Look at this smooth ass tire. But it still feel, you know, smooth. Still got some thread. Yeah, so the front and back done. Okay, so it's probably like 2 days later. One of my Rotors brake pads, I feel like it's getting way too much on, like, what is it called? Friction. Because it was way hotter than the other ones, so I'm about to fix that up right now. Right here, as you can see, the guy's getting too much friction. So I'm about to see what that's about. It's not ever in this one. Looks like that. So yeah, I'm about to get ready, set this up. Also, the brake pads for this one is coming. I'm not doing the rotors. Don't really like doing the rotors for this car, but yeah, definitely gonna do the brake pads for it. About to lift it up from the side. Let me make sure, yeah. I'm so ghetto. Don't got the pen, but hey, gonna make it work. Right now. Right now, I'm compressing the caliper again. Everything seems to be all right. I don't really see anything that's throwing it off. The problem was that I was dealing with a seized on caliper pin. You know, once the rest get in there, it kind of just like there's no friction to move it. It just gets stuck. So I had to heat it up, as you can see. And definitely needed some gas. About to driving around for a minute. About to run like a quick little errand. See how this go. But this off. Yeah. Motor intake in. Follow it. Start. Got 2 bolts holding the intake. Then you're gonna use your factory tubing. So you wanna screw this, and that. Whole thing is finally out. Now it's time to assemble the new one, which you're gonna be using. Oh, well, the factory reader. All right, so it's installed. It's pretty simple. Only thing is, you guys gonna have to replace this hose with the hose they got. So I think I'm gonna go grab a clamp, cause that was easy to get on, but this one was hard. So you don't really need a hose for that, but that one might come up. Also, just like how the OEM was mounted, you got one inside here that you need to mount so it won't move around. And yeah, just make sure everything tight and make sure you still get your connector back on. You should be good to go. About to start the car. Yeah, that look good. Let's see everything. Putting start on the brakes for the black one. Just brake pad change, no rotors. As y'all can see, I finished the brakes and rotors for the GT. They hold up pretty good. You know. Holding up pretty good. Y'all should already know. You gotta loosen them first before you jack it up so it won't spin. Jack it up. Then take the lug nuts out, which mine's got a key lock. And then you can take off the wheel or the tire. Since I'm only really changing the brake pads, really all I gotta do is take this one off for real. Y'all can see it's kind of pretty bad in the V6 when it comes to suspension. Don't look too well to maintenance, as you can see. So, but I'm just changing the brakes right now. So all I gotta do is take off this screw. So what you're gonna do is hold, get something to hold the caliper pin and this. So basically, see, so you can loosen it up, which just don't feel to tighten up. It was pretty easy than a GT. Now you want to grab something like a flathead, apply this open with. So this is the old one. As you can see, it's still good. So I'm guessing they did get changed recently. I think when I get off, I'm gonna double check. I think I'm gonna check this back real quick. But as you can see, it's other stuff that definitely need to be changed with this car. Like that caliper is going through it. Everything is going through on this car, I ain't gonna lie. Like, this is ridiculous right here. Like, it did not look like this on the GT. Alright, so I at least put new hardware on it because why not? The hardware on here was looking like this. Yep, so